Good day, Pinoy Clicksers and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel. Kanto. Let's go. Okay, so we are looking at DC Heroclix WizKids Kanto. Kanto. And this particular product contains one pre-painted collectible miniature game piece, a promo figure, an exclusive figure. I got this during the CCO IC Regionals as a participation prize. I actually have 4 of this, so I cannot count to 10, or can only count to 4. This is for 14 years old and above, and this was released 2024. We're opening it 2026. I don't know why. But I also don't know a lot about DC, some of these DC characters. Okay, mostly only the famous ones, but I'm happy to be informed. Okay, so out of the box and into our hands, out of the plastic, and let's check out the sculpt of Kanto. Kanto. So he is, I don't know, going up or going down the stairs, and he holds what seems to be a knife. Okay, and he's dressed like a medieval person with a cape, very Shakespearean. Okay, so you can see the quality though is good, which is usually the case for exclusive figures. And let's just take a look at his card. So Kanto is or has the cosmic team ability. So he's a cosmic being. DCP-24-018. Keywords are Apocalypse, New Gods, Assassin, Brute, Cosmic, Deity, Pass, Warrior. Okay, so great keywords, especially the Brute and the Warrior for that longsword. And he has a trait, Apocalypse demands my service. Once per attack, when a friendly character with the Apocalypse keyword and a greater point value than Kanto would be hit by an opponent's attack, if Kanto isn't a target of that attack, you may place him adjacent to that character. Kanto becomes the hit target of that attack instead. Okay? So he takes the damage, I guess. For I would imagine Darkseid is the only bigger character that you would like to protect. Okay, so yeah, and it's not Mastermind, so it's change of hit character. So I guess that's a workaround if your opponent has anti-Mastermind. Okay, the second trait is the target. At the beginning of the game, for all friendly characters with this trait, give a target token to an opposing character. For all characters with this trait, when a friendly character with the assassin keyword KOs an opposing character with a target token, score 25 victory points. That's additional points. So that makes it really good for assassin teams. And yeah, it does not stack. So just make sure remember that. And a special movement power, assassin elite. Okay, I don't know how he becomes an assassin with this bright colored outfit. Plasticity, sidestep, and stealth. Okay. When an opposing character within range uses super senses, decrease the result by -1. Okay. And a special damage power, Renaissance Man. Okay, so that's the outfit. That's a Renaissance period, perplex, and probability control. Real name is unknown, but I would say his name is Kanto. Kanto. Mr. Miracle number 9 is a significant appearance. He is 75 or 35 points for range to target. At 75, he has a special movement and damage power. He also does movement and damage power at the 35-point line, so probably use him at 35-point line. He is his 10 and 17 though in terms of attack, and no reducer, only combat reflexes for the guy. Okay, and at the end, he gets the stealth and probability control. So 35 points for 4 clicks is not so bad. Just enough for you to consider Kanto in your team. So especially if you're building Apocalypse, Brute, I guess. Okay, and as such. But what do you guys think? Share your thoughts in the comments. Bye!